Today, I'll show you how to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. There are actually a few different ways to do this, so I'll walk you through all of them. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Method 1. Click the search icon on your taskbar, or press the Windows key and type on-screen keyboard. You'll see it appear in the results. Just click Open and it launches immediately. Simple as that. Method 2. If you want it to turn on automatically every time you log in, go to Settings. You can do that by pressing Windows I. Then go to Accessibility on the left panel. Scroll down and click Keyboard. Here you'll find the toggle for on-screen keyboard. Just switch it on. Now it will appear every time you start Windows. Method 3. Press Windows R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type OSK and hit Enter. The keyboard will pop up instantly. This is probably the fastest method if you're already on the keyboard. Method 4. This one's useful if you need the keyboard before you even log in. On the Windows sign-in screen, look at the bottom right corner. Click the accessibility icon. It looks like a person. From the menu that appears, toggle on on-screen keyboard. It will appear right on the login screen, so you can type your password with it. Bonus tip, once the on-screen keyboard is open, right-click its icon in the taskbar and select Pin to Taskbar. That way you can launch it with a single click anytime you need it. So those are 4 easy ways to enable the on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more Windows tips.